That, but let's begin business lunch by focusing on some stock moves. Mahanagar Gas, like I told you, is surging in trade after it reported a strong set of fourth quarter earnings. It's up over 8%. Sonal is here to break down the numbers.
Big move on Mahanagar Gas, and that is on the back of strong set of numbers that the company has reported, especially on the operating side, though it was a slight volume miss for the company in Q4. Going by the numbers, revenues, yes, they did decline 4% on a sequential basis, but that was expected, largely in line with the poll. EBITDA was up 52% on a sequential basis and came in higher than the poll at 390 crore rupees. Margin was a big beat, 24.2% versus an expectation of 20.4%, leading to a beat on profits as well. Profits were higher by 56% on a sequential basis to come in at 270 crore rupees, which is way higher than what the street was working with. As I said, volumes were a miss. Volumes declined 1% on a sequential basis versus an expectation of 2% increase. So that is where we need more clarity from the management from. And EBITDA margins per unit came in at 12.8 rupees per SCM, and this is a 7-quarter high number. So price hikes did really help the company in the quarter gone by. And now Jefferies says that they expect strong earnings in the second half of FY24, largely led by the falling LNG prices globally. They will look out for management guidance, especially because there has been a sharp price cut in the month of April following the cut in domestic gas prices. They have a target price of 1100 rupees per share on the stock. The conference call is at 4 p.m. today, so of course we'll get more clarity on that one. But the other city gas distribution stocks are also doing really well. Both Gujarat Gas and IGL higher in trade today. And if we look at the valuations, both Gujarat Gas and IGL trading at similar levels of around 21.3 to 21.6 times one-year forward earnings. What works for MGL additionally also is it trades at the cheapest valuations in the city gas distribution space at 12.8 times one-year forward earnings. And that is something also working for the stock in trade today.
All right, Sonal, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details. So Mahanagar Gas is the one which is clearly standing out on the back of its earnings.